Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to start creating polls on Slack, we will be needing to have an application or integration that would allow us to start creating polls. Now as you can see, I already have this simple poll application, but there are several ones that you can choose from. So you can simply go to the apps and from here you can click on add apps so you can search for some polling apps. So I'm just going to type poll. As you can see, we can find like the simple poll, stand up like a poll, poly, and that would allow you to start like creating polls, etc. But I will just stick with my application, which is the simple poll. And for each application, you will find this ad. So if you didn't already have this one, you can just click on add, and it will take you to the page where you can install this app. And it is simple. You need just to click on install or add, and it will be added automatically. So now let's just go to the simple poll application, and from here we can learn how we can create a poll. So basically, to launch a simple poll, you can start trying this command on your chat. So we can simply go to any channel, and from there we can click on insert. So either you can run a shortcut or you can simply in the better type the slash, and from here you will find the several commands that you would have, but we want to simply create a simple poll. And as you can see now, either you can start going from a template gallery like from the create poll, or you can simply choose whatever you'd like. uh, we will have like for example a question, and basically you choose the response type if it is only one question or like have many question, and basically you will have option one and option two. You can add another option if you would like, and then you will need just to add the settings and click on preview. You like it, then you click on create and save, create poll, and now you have your poll here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.